Yeah, this is Mike with Mike's Accessories with the 2012 Articat 1000 Wildcat Skull Crusher project. The nicest UTV ever built. Day doing a video, fixing to start wiring the project today, and you can see the acrylic steering wheel, and we thank Piedmont Plastics for working with us, all the plexiglass for this and the seats, and plexiglass for the PlayStation 4 box over there. That way it has like a window kind of look. You can see the LED scrolling light piece. All the custom paint was, we worked with Mark and Michael at O'Reilly's in Follette, Tennessee through the Axalta Coating Systems paint. The lime green Articat green. The Boss Audio 5¼ inch speaker Skull Phantom Series. And you can see one of the floorboards already in because I put a microphone set up there. We're going to be doing Dish Network satellite television in the project. You can see the Boss Audio Slim 10, the flames down there on the fiberglass floor. All this fiberglass custom material is built by me, Mike, and Mike's Accessories. And then Wayne Bolin partnered with me to do the painting and all the body work to make all the pieces look good. And we're going to do a second steering wheel too. They'll have a skull with flames coming off each side of it. It won't look like a traditional steering wheel round. It'll be like a skull with flames, and running 5 batteries. Got everything going with all the custom rocker switches right there. And we got the console back here. That's where the talking skull will go. We'll have 5 and a 5.8 inch Alpine monitors here, and here too. And then switches there. We'll probably be doing some switches in here. There's for the digital display to sit into and everything right there. So when it's due, you'll have the gear shifter, digital display, and then the PlayStation 4 charging dock system right here to charge the PlayStation controllers up, PlayStation 4. Definitely guarantee 100% be the nicest UTV built all over the whole world, and maybe one of the nicer products ever built. Got the light bars on here. We thank Morgan at Sidetracked Off-Road for working with us on all the. This is the 40-inch curved LED light bar, and got the light bars back here. Those are the 6 inches, one there, one on the other side, and I got a skull right here in the rear that's got eyes that move and everything. This product is going to be everything in the world. I mean, I have put a lot of time in this, a lot of stuff to make it the nicest thing ever built, and I'm very dedicated to that, to make all kinds of magazines, television, go to the nicest shows, conventions with it. We'll have another skull sitting right here. This is the storage bag area. It'll have the compressor, tank, and valves, nothing else. And then I'm gonna make like a bracketing system that I'll hold right here where my hand is, so when this will be open at all time it's showing, you can see it's pretty much up and down, straight up and down. It'll have all the company's information here. It's a 3-foot wide spot by 2 foot tall. We put a lot of company information here, a logo, address, website name, email address, slogans. We can do a lot with this, and this will be open at all times for people to see at shows, conventions, and a little bit more of the outside of the body of things. We're going to do a whole body wrap. We thank Ray at Badass Wraps. That's B-A-D-A-Z-Z Wraps, W-R-A-P-S. I'm doing a whole new body wrap. I'm taking these off, taking the Articat off, taking all this off. Going to do a part of a body wrap through here. Take off this 1000 B-Twin, take off all this factory stuff. And we've designed something really nice. Make sure you get with Ray at Badass Wraps for all your wrap needs and everything. We're doing the whole body. These fenders, these will be for all the company logos that's worked with us. We're up to 58 companies that's partnered with us on this project. And there's more of the Alpine monitors, 5.8 inch, one there, one there. And of course we'll have the flip down roof right here for that the Boss Audio monitors will sit up into. Here is the headliner. The Boss Audio 12.1 inch flip down will sit right here, and this is what the Dish Network setup we're doing. To have satellite television in the product, it'll sit right here and connect. It's got HDMI and speakers, tweeters, lights, amplifiers. This thing is nothing gonna touch this thing in the world. 14 speakers, 3 subwoofers, 2 amplifiers, 5 monitors, PlayStation 4. There's the skull seats that I built, coffin seats. And the mouth moves and the eyes move back and forth. To transmitter, we thank Suzanne at High Tech RCD for the transmitters for that. And you see the skeleton there, and there'll be plexiglass from Piedmont Plastics. Worked this on a piece of plexiglass right here that'll cover it up, give like a top to the coffin, and then his arms will actually be sticking out. One will be over here holding the subwoofer, and then the other one will just be sticking out here like this, like that. Butt pads, we thank Jonathan at Custom Stitch. He made us some custom butt pads to go right here, and with black suede and green thread to give it like a nice color matching look. And he also built a back pad right here, so when I'm unloading this thing from the trailer, on and off the trailer, I can sit my back against the backpack pad, because this thing is going to be trailer queened only. No more driving. This is going to be like a show piece, and that's what I'm going to make it, as a show piece. Make it the nicest show piece ever built. Talking skulls right here. When they put the face back on, it's actually those back there you saw back there in the rear of the project. We thank Robert at Blue Point Engineering and Harry at Wizard Devices for the devices to make these mouths move up and down to words. And when I speak in a microphone, they'll speak to move to words. The eyes will blink to words on both that door panel and that door panel. And you can see the flaming job we done on the seats right there, just to give it more of an appeal look instead of it just being just plain green. We'll have that going on with that, and a lot of companies to thank with everything. This is the other floorboard, which is out of the project right now. I figured I'd show you this one. It's a little bit more easier to see. The other one is a little darker in the project. The Boss Audio 10-inch shallow mount subs. Like I said, guaranteed the nicest product ever built. Got a lot of companies to thank. Everything in this product's custom. Even the PlayStation 4 controllers have been airbrushed. We worked with Fates Customs. We thank him at Fates Customs for doing that. Thank Chris at LB White for working with us on this Tradesman K210. It really helped out big time for all the paint work I've done on this project, and also all the wiring. We'll have heat in the garage now to where we can keep things going. Got 5 batteries that'll control all the audio, video, and the air ride suspension. On the air ride suspension, these fenders are going to tuck all the way down to the tire there to give it like a slam look. And the same thing right here. This will be really low to the ground too, and I can raise it back up to unload it or load it back on the trailer. And then I'm going to take these off right here, and so they'll just be this fender only, so that way this fender can sit really close to the tire too, give it like a slam look. And show you some more of the outside of the project. And like I said, guaranteed to be the nicest thing ever built. And we thank all the companies for working with us, and just keep the project going.